everybody, so today I showed how I did this cut. I will list all of the products that I used below. I really hope you guys enjoy the video, and I really hope you maybe learn something or find a product you want to give a go or whatever. Love this color. I'm really happy with where I've got it, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, so I'm starting out by brushing my hair out. I use a wet brush for this, just to get, any of the main tangles out, and then I'll use a paddle brush for the rest. Then I will go ahead and I'll section off the part that I want for my bangs. And I like my bangs to be fairly messy. I don't like them to be like if I pull my hair back in a headband, I don't want it to be like a definitive line where my bangs are. I hope that makes sense. So I'm taking this from the top of my ears up to the crown of my head, and I'm going to be going ahead and placing this in a ponytail. I'm just making sure this is all brushed out. It does not need to be perfect. I know I look like I am tucking my bang in here. It doesn't matter because we're not going to be cutting down there anyway. There we go. Now we'll be taking it from the top of the ears back more, so we'll have a second section. And I do have a part in this where I freeze frame where the sections are so you can see them more clearly and you don't have to worry about not knowing what I'm talking about. I will go ahead and I will apply another ponytail. Really want to make sure that these are all brushed out thoroughly though. And we are not going to be, okay, so I'll explain more about the cutting when we get to that. This is honestly so easy. Anyone can do this. And finally, we are going to take the back and do a regular standard ponytail. I like to have a lot of length, so that's why my back ponytail, my lowest ponytail, is the thickest, because I don't want too much of my hair to be taken off, because you can always take more off, but you can't really add more on. So getting that into that ponytail as well too. And I start by cutting the top here. The bangs were honestly pissing me off at this point, so I was just like, let me get these bitches out of the way. So I'm taking a comb here, and I'm going to go ahead and comb this up, making sure there's no tangles or anything like that. And then I'm going to be cutting off. I will show you how much here in a sec. That much. And I point cut. I know you can't see here because what I do is I actually stick my head basically in my garbage can because I don't want to get hair everywhere. So that's what I do. I just take that little piece, point cut, and then I will go ahead and I will take the next piece and I will point cut it to the same length. Right there, you see that difference, and I will cut it off so it's the same length. You can see the difference there. And you just want to make sure you're cutting it to the same length as the base of the ponytail, not the same length as like your face framing layer, you know, because you may have shorter layers in the first ponytail you made. Sometimes I do like to take a bit more off the first and second ponytail and then leave the last ponytail with more length. You could do either way. It looks good both ways, honestly. And then taking the final one, and I pair this all together, so I just use a big paddle brush. And I will go ahead and cut that little tail off. See how I'm hardly cutting any off of the ends? I'm doing like a dusting, basically, like. So those are the sections there you can see. You can screenshot it if you need or whatever. And I think I have another one here, yes. So you can see the difference. I'm going to go ahead and take these out. And you can be done here. I like to add a touch of a slide cut around my face. So I will go ahead and brush it. Make sure all those tangles are out from brushing it up. And then I will part it down the center. I don't often part my hair in the center. I just like to do this because I like it to be more organic when I part it. I want it to match when it's in the middle, but not necessarily match when I part it differently. I hope that makes sense. I feel like it doesn't, but whatever. So right now I'm just going ahead and sliding down the hair. It's so simple. I'm just taking, honestly, like hardly any off. Sliding down, probably like 2 centimeters off each side. And I will do a video on how I style my hair soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.